Hi guys, welcome. Today we learn about polymorphism and duct typing. Polymorphism is nothing but it describes the situation of occurring same type of function, nothing but mention method here, same type of method repeated many times, many forms, many different forms. Let's see how the methods are repeated in different forms. Duct typing is one of the form. Let's see about duct typing. Before duct typing, we should know how the methods are repeated in the different forms. Let's consider a class A which is defining a method M, and a class A2 is also defining a method M, A3 also defining method M, A4 defining method M, and A5 defining method M. All method names of all the classes are same, but its functioning is different. Here we are printing class A1, here we are printing class A2, class A3, class A4, and class A5 respectively. Here to access these methods, we are we are creating objects. With class A1 we are creating object 1, and class A2 we are creating object 2, and similarly class A5 we are creating object 5 and calling the methods separately. Let's execute this. What happened? Let's see what happened. Let's execute this also. Here we are getting the output as class A1, the statement printed here, that is class A1, class A2, class A3, class A5 separately. Without using duct typing, this will take a lot of time, and it is a lot of code should be written. By using duct typing, we can reduce the code. Again, we are taking the same classes as we taken earlier. This time I am using duct typing. In duct typing, I am creating a list, that is jobs, and each constructor is given separately as a list, as items in the list, and after it I am calling them with the help of I in for loop, and I am executing the function m. Let's execute this. This also repeating the same thing, that is a1 a class a1 a2 a3, but this time it reduced code and increases the efficiency. In this way, duct typing help us to increase the efficiency. This is the concept of duct typing. Let's see how duct typing can be used for multiple methods. Here we are we are considering the methods m and m, m and m and m1 and m2 from different classes. Here in class a1 there is m method, and a2 also having m method, a3 is having m1 method, and a4 is having m1 method, and a5 is having m2 method. Here we are having two common methods, that are m and m1, with the common methods in two different classes, and m2 is a different method. By using to access different methods in this format, we can use duct typing. This time I am using hash attribute function, a hash attr function. Let's see how to use it. Here I am taking the list as the list of constructors, and I am using the for loop. This time I am using hash. Under the condition I am using hash attr function. In that I am giving the attribute values as I, and the function as a string, function name as a string. Here giving a function name m as a string, and I am calling that function. After that I am giving the m1 as a string, and I am calling that method. Not sorry, my bad, it's not function, it is method. Here it is called methods. There are only methods in class, not functions, and in this way this method is called, that is m1. After that it is calling m2 method. In this way, how let's see how it works, and let's execute. This time is giving all the class a1 a2, printing all the statements. Let's remove these two statements, execute. This time it's sorry, I should execute class and execute this again. This time it is giving the class A1 and A2 only. Here only I am calling the M method only, not calling the M1 method. If I want to call M1 method, I should again repeat the statement, that is here I should repeat the statement. In place of M I should give M1, and in place of his string I should give M1, and let's call. This time the A3 and class A3 and A4 also get printed. In this way we can randomly choose which function should be repeated to be executed. This way the duct typing can be used. The concept of duct typing can be used. Exercise link is provided in the video description. Please practice exercise, and thank you. Happy learning.